Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable ChatGPT for Google Sheets workflows step by step clearly. To enable ChatGPT for Google Sheets workflows, start by opening your Google Sheets document. Log into your Google account if you haven't already. Click on Extensions in the top menu bar. From the drop-down menu, select Apps Script. This will open the Google Apps Script Editor in a new tab. In the script editor, delete any code that may be present in the editor. Now, copy and paste the following code into the editor. Make sure to replace any placeholder text with your specific API key. The code connects Google Sheets with ChatGPT's API. Next, click on the disk icon or select File and then Save to save your script. Name your project something relevant, like ChatGPT integration. Go to the triggers icon on the left sidebar. Click on Add Trigger in the bottom right corner. Select the function you just created from the drop-down menu. Choose the event type that suits your workflow, like on Edit. Set your trigger to run as the user accessing the sheet. Now, click Save to establish the trigger configuration. Return to your Google Sheets document. Select the cell where you want to call ChatGPT. Type in the function name you created followed by any needed parameters. Press Enter to execute the function. A loading sign may appear as the API processes your request. Once completed, ChatGPT's response will populate in the selected cell. Repeat this process for any additional cells or workflows you wish to implement. Now your Google Sheets is successfully integrated with ChatGPT. Feel free to test different queries to see the AI's capabilities in action. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.